Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm go ahead to introduce the newest products on my right hands, and these are two compartment sinks. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For the units, will be about like a 72 inches in the length, and the overall height is about like a 43 inches total. And the depth of the units, they are about like a 2 feet 24 inches. So as we can see, the units have a two compartment sink in the middle, and one connections. This one for the faucets, and they have the gym board on the side. The gym board about like a 16 inches wide, and 20 inches in the depth. For the working gym board heights, they will about like a 3 feet tall. So let's take a look at the measurement for the inner side. For the inner side, they coming from the manufacturer have the accessories. They come in two of those. And there's a connection hose. The centers, the diameter is about like 8 and the 1/4 inches. And for the sink, they are about like a 1 feet depth. And the 18 inches in the length. And the 18 inches in the width. That's what will be the all information about the products, the two compartment sinks. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.